If you feel like your ideas get lost in a sea of tufts, meet Mindrift.ea, your new creative companion that turns your Mindrift into actionable insights. Whether you are brainstorming, organizing, or seeking inspiration, Mindrift.ea is here to help you navigate the currents of your creativity. Let's drift and discover together. So, hi guys, and welcome. This very will show you step by step how you can earn money using Mindrift.ea. So first of all you have to do is open your web browser and dive into Mindrift.ea. This is the homepage. As you can see, we have here various information like here we have EA tutors. We have here A tutors, we have writer, editor, domain expert, you can select one you want. Then we have here annotators, and we have a resource, blog, fake. But let's know what is Mindrift first. Mindrift is a community of experts dedicated to generating high quality data for improving EA, comprised of EA tutors, freelance experts, writers, and editors committed to innovation and excellence. We leverage collective knowledge and skills to pioneer the next generation of generative EA models. About research, here also we have other things like blog, and we have here other things. You can just read this all this one to more understand. Also we have your fakes. Do I need a development experience? So you click over here to get your answer. Then we have other things here about payments, skill requirements. So let's come back to the homepage. So we have here join the odds improving EA, get paid to write, edit, or annotate content for EA on the platform built for humans with complete time and location flexibility. If we scroll down, we have other things here like the benefits of Mindrift's flexibility. The flexible working approach is a game changer and fits in perfectly with my career. Then the second one, we have great community. I like the community, especially the leads and editors I work with. They are all really kind and helpful. Then the last one is get paid frequently. To be honest, the pay rate is high in comparison to other platforms. If we scroll down, we have here something like about Mindrift. So we have the definition of Mindrift and more information. Then we have getting started here. This is the questions, and with answer how you can earn money using Mindrift. The qualification, payment, how it works, and hours also how you can earn money and how much hours. So if we scroll down, we have here how you can apply. First one, we have writer. So if you are a writer, all I have to do is click apply now and become an AA tutor, get ahead, start in job market of tomorrow. So you write your first name, your last name, your email address, phone number, country, LinkedIn profile, personal website. Then you click over here if you are agree in those things. The first one is I agree that you can keep my data for an extended time period so that it will be easier for you to contact me about job opportunities. Then we have the second one is I confirm that I have read and understood the Mindrift's privacy notice, and I give Mindrift my consent to the processing of my personal data for the purpose of invitation users to apply. Then you click over submit application and you start earning money. So to earn money as a writer using Mindrift.ai, you can leverage the platform's features to enhance your writing process, generate ideas, and streamline content creation. Here are some specific ways you can monetize your writing skills. The first one we have content creation and freelance writing, like articles and blog posts or ghostwriting. Then the second one we have self-publishing like ebooks, courses and guides. The third one is copywriting and marketing content like ad copy and sales pages or content marketing. The fourth one we have creative writing like fiction and poetry or script writing. Then the fifth one, affiliate marketing and sponsored content like affiliate reviews or sponsored content. And the last one is editing and proofreading areas for improvement. So that's it for writer and how you can be good writer and start earning money using Mindrift. Then we have editor. So if you are editor, all I have to do is apply now here. Earn money editing differs content to advance EA. Enjoy a flexible schedule while getting ready for the world of tomorrow. So you write your first name, your last name, your email address, phone number, country, and LinkedIn profile, personal website. Then you click over here if you are agree in those notes. Then you submit application. So as an editor, you can use Mindrift.ea to enhance your editing services and streamline your workflow. Here are several ways to earn money as an editor using Mindrift.ea. So the first one, we have freelance editing services like copy editing, developmental editing, and we have the second one is content review and feedback like manuscript review, and the third one is editorial consulting like author coaching or content strategy consulting, and the fourth one is content creation and management like creating anthologies and managing editorial projects. Then the fifth one is educational services like editing guides and ebooks, and the last one is affiliate marketing and partnership like promoting tools and services. So that's it with editor. Right now, let's move in on domain expert. So you click over apply now and earn money to advance EA writing in your area of expertise. Enjoy a flexible schedule with no EA experience needed. So you write your first name, then your last name, then your email, phone number, country also, LinkedIn profile, and personal websites. And you click over those things, those important notes. If you are agree, then you submit application. So as a domain expert, you have specialized knowledge in a particular field, and there are many ways to monetize this expertise. Here are some strategies to earn money as a domain expert. So the first one, we have consulting and advisory services consultant, and the second one is content creation and publishing like writing articles and books, online courses and workshops, and the third one, we have speaking engagements and webinars like public speaking webinars and online events, and we have the fourth one is expert witness and legal consultant like expert witness, and the fifth one is coaching and mentoring like one-on-one coaching, group coaching, and mastermind, and the sixth one is developing and selling specialist products like proprietary tools and resources, specialist and membership sites and subscriptions. We have also affiliate marketing and sponsorships like product reviews and endorsement. The last one is academic and research opportunities, teaching and academic grants and funding also. So this is it for domain experts, and this three one I give you all you need to earn money using Mindrift. So Mindrift.ea offers a versatile platform for earning money by dropping into creative and intellectual pursuits, whether you are a writer, editor, content creator, or consultant, or entrepreneur. Mindrift.ea can help you streamline your processes, generate new ideas, and enhance the quality of your work. By leveraging its tools and features, you can efficiently produce high quality content, develop marketable products, and offer valuable services. So with Mindrive.ea, you can unlock new income streams and maximize your earning potential by transforming innovative ideas into tangible results. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.